Hi, this is Scoggett. This is the second part to my award-winning slow cooker tailgate chili my way video. And the Texas Tech Red Raiders is playing West Virginia, and I'm making a chili for tailgate. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put this together in the slow cooker, and we'll go from there. Here we have my slow cooker, and what I've done is I've went ahead and sauteed up the onions, diced onions, and bell pepper, diced bell pepper, diced onions, diced bell pepper, and I put 1 tablespoon of garlic in and diced it all together. So I've already got that in the slow cooker. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the ground beef. What I did with the ground beef is I went ahead and browned up the ground beef, and it's going in the slow cooker. I'm having ground beef and pork sausage, and you don't want to mix the two. You want to do them separate. That's because the pork sausage sometimes takes longer to cook than the ground beef. So just go ahead and add the ground beef to it. And next we'll add the pork sausage, which I used Jimmy Dean pork sausage. And like I say, you want to do them separate. Don't put them together. Don't mix the ground beef with the pork sausage, because they cook at different rates. So I browned up the pork sausage. That's going in. Then we'll start adding our other ingredients. Kind of give it a mix there. Kind of mix this up a little bit. And I got a liner here to make a easy cleanup. Mrs. Scoggett likes easy cleanup. Now what I've got is I got my chili sauce. Going to add it to the slow cooker. And it's a 1 12-ounce bottle of chili sauce. Give it a little bit of stir here, kind of mix it together. Man, that looks good. Good to get right now. I mean, that's my opinion. I got my salsa. I'm using chunky salsa, mild. You can use any kind of salsa you want. If you want to use homemade, that's fine. Going to add it. Give it a little bit stir here. Kind of mix things up. Got my roadtail, using mild. Put it in, juice and all. Don't drain it, because the juice make it even better. Kind of give it a mix. Then I got my kidney beans. I'm using light red kidney beans. One can of just regular kidney beans, and put it in with the juice and all. Hope it all fits. This is getting kind of full here. Then I got my chili beans. And there's 2 cans of this, and it's mild. I got the mild chili sauce for the beans because, like I say, I can't handle hot. If you can handle hot, then by all means do it. These are dark kidney beans. That's going to be 2 cans. Put it in, sauce and all. Give it a mix. Man, that looks good already, I tell you. This is going to be some good chili, I tell you. Going to go ahead and put in my chili powder, and I got 3 tablespoons of chili powder here. Going to put it in, along with 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and it calls for 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I can't handle the pepper, so I'm putting 1 teaspoon in. That's just me. I just can't handle the black pepper because it really messes me up. And I'm just going to give this a mix. And mix it up real good. You want this mixed really good so everything gets incorporated. And I tell you what, this is going to be some really excellent tailgate chili. And I'm more than likely going to kind of make a Frito pie out of this. Got some Fritos, got some shredded cheese, and some sour cream. Man, I forgot the black olives. God darn. Oh well, I guess we'll live without them. Because I would have put some black olives in this. I can't think of everything. So, that's where we're at now. That looks like it's mixed in pretty good. It's going to be a excellent chili. I can already tell by the way it looks. Just really good stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it. Make sure it's seated good. Crank it up to high and let it go for a couple hours. Within 2 hours, this should be cooked and ready to eat. Thing is, with the chili, the longer you cook it, the better it is. So, this is Tailgate, and I'll have the 3rd video coming up, and I'll have this ready by the time the game is coming on. I'm going to kick back, drink me some ice cold Lone Star, eat me some great award-winning chili, and just enjoy the game. And like I say, if the Red Raiders, Texas Tech Red Raiders can't get it done, then maybe I can go over there and they send me in, and I'll wear my leather helmet instead of one of these helmets here, and I'll take care of business. So, this is Tailgate. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Whatever team you're rooting for, I hope they win. And I'll have the final part coming up. This is Tailgate, and y'all take care.